Today I'm going to be walking you around our 2024 VW Transporter camper, and in my opinion the nicest camper that we have in stock. The interior is incredible. We have our lovely grey unit paired with our wooden countertop and cream leather seats and bed, and it all just comes together so nicely. Kitchen, we have our stove, sink and fridge just below. Behind me we have our wireless charging to the left. As we'll be able to see from the pictures, this doubles up as 3 belted seats, making this camper 5 belts, 4 berth. Next up we have our pop top, and features wise everything you could possibly need. Apple CarPlay, rear camera, have our AC just below with our heated seats on either side. If you have any more questions about the vehicle or you'd like to book in for a test drive, please feel free to call us on 0118 971 1799.